The basic properties of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. It has a melting point of negative 99 degrees Celsius and a boiling point of negative 91 degrees Celsius. Carbon monoxide consists of one carbon atom and one oxygen atom. These atoms are connected by a triple bond and cannot be separated by physical means. The uses of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide has many industrial uses and is primarily used as fuel. For example, in World War II, this compound was used to run motor vehicles when gasoline was scarce. The dangers of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is highly poisonous. When inhaled, carbon monoxide displaces the amount of oxygen in the vital organs, namely the brain and the heart. When a small amount is inhaled, lightheadedness and nausea can occur. However, when inhaled at a severe rate, carbon monoxide is fatal because the body will lose the ability to take in oxygen. The gas chambers and concentration camps used by the Nazis during World War II released carbon dioxide, killing many. I meant to say carbon monoxide. But anyway, carbon monoxide is also highly flammable.